Tired of staring at a blank screen trying to build a website? I will show you exactly how to create one in Namecheap in under 5 minutes. No stress, no confusion, and definitely no coding required. We will start at your dashboard, choose the right template, and get your site live. It really is that simple. First, head over to Namecheap's SiteMaker page. This is where everything begins, and it is the easiest path to a professional-looking website. You will see 2 options here. You can edit an existing website if you have one, or you can create something brand new. Since we are starting from scratch, go ahead and click on Create New Website. Now pick the category that fits your project. Namecheap will ask you what type of website you want to create. This helps them serve up the perfect templates for you right from the start. This is the important part. You will see a few different builders, but you want to click on SiteMaker. Click it once, and then click it again to confirm your choice. One more confirmation, and you are on your way. For a clean, professional look, you will want to choose Business Website. This option gives you templates designed specifically for things like a local shop, a consultancy, or a personal brand. It sets you up for success. Select the highlighted template. Namecheap will show you a few options, but the one that is highlighted is usually the most versatile and beginner-friendly. Click on that one. Then click Continue to move to the next step. Now, here is the honest truth. You will need to pay to publish your site. There is a subscription required to make it live on the internet. Think of it as your hosting and builder all in one. It is a small investment for a site that looks like it cost $1,000. Now for the fun part. Personalize your site. You can swap out the text, change the images, and tweak the colors. Namecheap makes this really intuitive. Just click on any element to edit it. Add your business name, your tagline, and your contact info. Make it yours. Before you hit publish, preview your site. Click the preview button and see how everything looks on a desktop and on a phone. This is your chance to catch any little typos or alignment issues. A few quick tips to make your site shine. Keep your navigation simple. People should know exactly where to go. And make sure your contact information is easy to find. A phone number or an email address on the homepage builds trust. So there you have it. From a blank screen to a live, professional business website in just a few minutes. I have used this exact process myself, and it works. If you followed along, you are now ready to show the world what you do. Go ahead and hit that publish button. You have got this.